everybody, I'm Justin with VMP Performance. I am on the dyno at the old shop. I just got done with Mr. Andrew Sheridan's 2014 GT500 5.8 liter with a VMP Gen3R. So we decided to come to the old shop and get a little dyno action with Mr. Cody's 2007 Shelby GT500 and a Gen3R. Now, you guys kind of know that there's a special version of the Gen3R out there that is going to be available to the public very soon. Well, not very, very soon, but we're working on it making it available over the next month or two. This is just a regular run-of-the-mill Gen3R that Cody came by the shop and picked up a couple days ago. Installed over the weekend. Yep. Hey, elephant in the room. Stock iron block 5.4 GT500 that is now 12 years old.
Yeah, 12 years old. Got over 30,000 miles on
30K. Not afraid to drive his Shelby. Yep. Made in 2006. 12 of 06. We got to talk about pulley choices because Cody came over to the shop yesterday to pick up the blower and was like, I think I'll take a 2.5 pulley with it. Right? Yeah, that's how the story went.
Yeah, they don't need to, just a 2.5.
Just a 2.5, and I'm like, okay, that's a little bit aggressive, and but you run an E85, which we know helps cool things down, has a lot of octane, very detonation resistant and high boost levels. So okay, you want to tell them what the elephant in the room is besides it being a stock motor?
It's got 10% lower.
So 10% lower, and that's equivalent to another 2 to 3 pounds of boost. And that is not recommended for a stock motor. What did your tuner tell you? Okay.
We should probably, yeah.
So Lund is tuning the car remotely because he's been with them for a long time, and we support Lund. We tune ourselves, but we support Lund. They wanted you to run a what size pulley?
They said immediately go to 2.8. So
2.8.
They were like, and that's how we should bump it up to a 2.8.
And that's the same recommendation that we'd make. 2.8 upper, because that's equivalent to a 2.6 upper with a 10% lower, and that's our smallest recommended pulley for a 5.4 liter with a Gen3R. Well, you broke the rules.
Yeah.
So he's got that big 10% overdrive lower balancer in there. It's not, we do not recommend doing this at home. This guy is a serious racer. Yeah. That's his justification. Iron blocks are cheap. Hey, at VMP, our goal is for you to drive your car, make a bunch of horsepower, race it, have fun, and drive it home at the end of the day. But there are those that take it to the extreme, like Cody. You can see this car's got a back seat delete, a front seat delete.
So, can we pull a Cletus and drive shot through the intake?
No, we are not. This is not going to be Andrew's special wet shot. You're going to say that for your channel, Andrew. All right, everybody, I'm going to hop in the car, make a dyno pull. We're going to see if it makes more horsepower than it did last time. Like I said, that's on Andrew's channel, the first dyno pull, where I got really freaking scared and then really excited. So this video is just for our channel. I'll see you in the car. Thanks for taking the steering wheel off for me, by the way. So a little more room for the laptop. I mean, I can kind of stretch out here. You got the drift stick, which there seems to be some identity issues right here. You're a drifting drag racer.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, whatever makes you happy. You told me actually the parachute mount was
that's going to be a parachute mount here soon, so ignore all this.
Okay. I only went to like 64 that time.
Yeah, it's fine.
I just can't bring myself to rev it out. What'd she make this time? Oh, oh man, 925, 888. Oh gosh, the same crazy 27 pounds of boost. Oh man. All right, we're gonna do maybe just a well-being check or something.
Yeah.
All right. It's still alive. I mean. The real test of the rods, of course, will be when
the car is actually loaded.
Yeah, when you run it down the drag strip, and you really, like, honestly, the dyno's easy. That was, I can actually tell you how long that dyno pull was. At that power level, the dyno pull is 4.5 seconds. So that's easy for a car to do. If it lives at the drag strip, that's gonna be freaking amazing. There you have it. Stock 5.4 liter record broken with a VMP Gen3R, as far as I know. If you know somebody else with a supercharged 5.4 making this type of power, let us know, post in the comments. But as far as we know, we just did it. Big thanks go out to Magnuson for designing an awesome blower in conjunction with VMP. Much more to come. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys next time.